Medurstand. Understanding medicine.
Professor Aziz Rehman from Medurstand, and before we proceed to the palpation of the precordium, let me describe certain anatomical areas. And this is very, very important. First thing is that these areas, they have certain names like mitral area, tricuspid area, aortic area, pulmonary area, but these do not represent the anatomical location of these valves. For example, mitral area is fifth intercostal space just medial to the midclavicular line. We call it mitral area because murmurs arising from the mitral valve are best heard on this area, right? And then we have tricuspid area, which is fourth intercostal space just left to the sternum. Murmurs arising from the tricuspid area is best heard here. And then we have pulmonary area, which is this is the angular fluid, this is the second rib, and this is the second intercostal space. So this second intercostal space on the left of the sternum is pulmonary area because murmur arising from the pulmonary valve is best heard here. Similarly, the corresponding part on the right side, the second intercostal space on the right of the sternum, is called aortic area. And we actually used to call it aortic area, but since now we have described aortic 2 also, this is now called aortic 1. Whereas aortic 2 is the third intercostal space on the left of the sternum. Because murmur of aortic regurgitation is better heard here, so that is why we call it aortic 2. So this was about the areas. And then we continue with the auscultation.